Welcome back to Forbidden Knowledge News. Today is Saturday, January 19th, 2019. On the 17th, there was a large explosion from the Eruption volcano in Japan, ejecting ash up to 6 kilometers and generating a moderate lava flow, which traveled 1.5 kilometers down the southwest flank. Fortunately, no adjacent communities were affected. The volcano has been sporadically erupting since October of 2018. The alert level remains at 3, and there is now an exclusion zone of 2 kilometers in effect. Also on the 17th, a new lava dome has been observed growing in the summit crater of the Cleveland volcano in Alaska, following an explosion that occurred on January 9th. This new activity has prompted the Alaska Volcano Observatory to raise the alert level to orange. On the 18th, there was another magnitude 6.0 earthquake near the Vanuatu Islands at a depth of 37 kilometers. Also on the 18th, there was a sudden appearance of boiling mud on the shores of a lagoon in Pueblo Nuevo Venice in Guatemala. Local geological officials have been sent to determine the cause of the phenomenon. While much of the northern hemisphere experiences record cold temperatures, in Australia, people have been warned to stay indoors as the country's heat wave is hitting record highs. On the 15th in Port Augusta, temperatures hit 48.5 degrees Celsius, or 119 degrees Fahrenheit, which was the highest temperature since records began in 1962. According to the country's Meteorological Bureau, the past few days are among Australia's top 10 warmest days on record. And last week, up to 1 million dead fish were found in the Darling River in western New South Wales. And also hundreds, if not thousands of flying foxes have also dropped dead from high temperatures. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like our Facebook page.